welcome to my channel Tech Viz. Realme has just launched the Realme 7 in India. It comes as an evolution of Realme 6 with upgrades to crucial areas such as battery, performance and camera. The Realme 7 is priced starting at Rs 14,999 for the base model and comes in two storage variants. In the same segment, however, Xiaomi has also launched the Redmi Note 9 Pro earlier in the year. The Note 9 Pro is priced starting at Rs 13,999 for its base model and comes in three storage variants. Check out our head-to-head comparison between Realme 7 and Redmi Note 9 Pro across design, display, internal specification, camera performance and price to determine what phone is the best for you. Coming to display and design, the Realme 7 features 6.5-inch Full HD Plus resolution LCD display with refreshing rate of 90Hz. Meanwhile, Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus resolution LCD display with 60Hz refreshing rate. Coming to specification, the Realme 7 features a MediaTek Helio G95 chipset with a 5% improvement in graphics performance over the Helio G90T chipset, whereas Redmi Note 9 Pro features a Snapdragon 720G. Realme offers a base variant with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. The second variant comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. When it comes to Redmi Note 9 Pro, the base variant has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. There is another variant with 128GB with 4GB RAM. The top-end variant gets 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Coming to camera, the Realme 7 has a quad camera setup with 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, a 2MP macro lens and a 2MP B&W portrait camera. With the Redmi Note 9 Pro, there is a 48MP primary camera along with a 8MP wide angle camera. There is also a 5MP macro camera and a 2MP depth camera. On the front, the Realme 7 gets a 16MP selfie camera, while the Redmi Note 9 Pro has a 16MP selfie camera. Realme offers support for 30W DART charging, whereas the Redmi Note 9 Pro gets a slower 18W wired charging. The Realme phone runs on Realme UI based on Android 10, whereas Redmi Note 9 Pro runs on MIUI 11 based on Android 10.